Hi, welcome back to Not for Lack of Tying, where today I'm going to go over the Portuguese bowline, which is a very clever knot and one of my favorite to tie. So I'm going to start the way I start all my bowlines, which is by holding the rope in my left hand, taking my right and folding the rope over and in toward the fingers. Now, you'll run into trouble if you start taking the loop in toward the palm, or if you fold the rope under in some way. Now, if you want to learn to tie the bowline in those different configurations, you can check out the video that I'm going to link above here. But for today, let's just do it the standard way, which is over and toward the fingers. Now that I've got that loop, I'm going to start this like I would a traditional bowline. That rabbit's going to come out of the hole. Now, instead of going around the tree and back in the hole like it would in a standard bowline, that rabbit's going to run right back underground and try it again. Now it comes out of the hole, around the tree, and back through the hole. And I want to make sure that's nice and taut. Now, if you're going to use this for any kind of climbing purposes or load-bearing purposes, you're going to want to secure this tail end here around this rope. But for my purposes, I don't do that, and so we're not going to do that in this video. But you can see it's very easy to adjust the various loops, and the beautiful thing is they don't slip when a load is applied to them. So I'm going to link here to another video where I use the Portuguese bowline to make a bike rack. So if you like that, check that out. And please tune back in for more knot videos. Thanks a lot.